Hello everyone, this is Jigji from HSP Construction. Hope everybody is good. Here in this basement we had a project about the cold room. We're building a washroom in here. So by City of Brampton we have a special requirement for this one. We have to have a 2x6 framing all around the cold room, and plus we have to have insulate with the special spray foam. So on the ceiling we have a R31, like a 5-inch thick, and we have on the walls we have R22. This is like a 2-inch thick, if you can see it here. So this is 2x6. If you see, it covers around 2 inches of the stud, right? So this is R22. This is R31. So these are the requirements by the City of Brampton if we are building a washroom in a cold room. Otherwise, it won't be like so it has to have a moisture proof. If we use a Batt insulation, that in the long run that will be there will be a problem of moisture. But this one is sealed totally, there is no seep air anywhere. If you see the header here, so this is the header. So this is the header. They cover with the R31 too, right? So it means once the drywall's here, drywall here, that will completely insulate. There will be no air going through. So that means there's no moisture inside. So here we have on the ceiling we have a 2x6 framing, right? If we use R31 Batt insulation, that's like a 10 inches thick. So that won't work here, because if we put a 10 inches thick Batt insulation on 2x6 framing, so it will be squished inside. So that insulation won't work as we want it to work. So that's why. So we got this one done. R31 on the ceiling, R22 or 12. So that way is totally insulate. So we are completely safe. No air inside, no moisture. So we're good to go for a long run. So there will be no moisture until the houses stay here. So that's it. So I just want to make a video for so if anybody wants to build a washroom in the cold room, so this is a procedure in City of Brampton. So we have to have R20 and R31 on the ceiling. Hopefully you will enjoy the video. Thank you so much.